We're here at Pier 40, Dada Foundation, Summer Cruise 2023. And this man behind the camera has been sitting behind this camera for over 10 years, watching us keep fundraisers. We have kept fundraisers for the very same cause, and two people show up. And we ask ourselves why? Why can't the people see what we're doing? Now we're keeping a fundraiser, and we have close to 700 people coming on this program. So what is time tell you? You have to be patient with God. Dada Foundation. Check it out.
Greetings, my friend. You are the man. You are the man. Jaja Sessa.
I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
Why do you keep coming back to Dada Foundation events?
Because this is a real man. I'm going to support nothing we are funny. And we see the work, and we have to put in the time once we see the work. At Jassa, at Dada, we are represent Jamaica. We are big it up in everywhere we can.
And remember, Calvin says so.
Yeah, man.
What do we have here?
Jaja Apparel. We have leather t-shirts.
We have the clothing line.
Yeah? Tell us about it, like.
We have sweatshirts.
Sweatshirt.
We have t-shirts. If you come to the front, you see. Lionheart. Dada Foundation is made up of nothing but Lionheart. No, Lionheart t-shirt. That's the Dada Foundation. Whatever you need, Jaja has it for you here today, right? And remember, you're supporting a worthy cause. When you wear that t-shirt, they know that you support an organization that's trying to do the best for Jamaica. That's the bottom line. We're able to get an ambulance there. Everybody could make a mock-up, right?
Yeah, man. Love it. Love the shop. Okay. Nice at the store.
Oh yes, that's the name, Jaja Shop.